the mold secure?
Yes, looks good. We are clear to seal the chamber.
Torque set to 25.
Locked in, moving to the next one.
We need to make sure the wiring harness clears the piston travel path here. Understood.
Final torque sequence initiated.
Okay, I'm past the third stage now. Do you see the erosion on blade 42?
Yeah, I see it. The coating looks slightly degraded. Log that for maintenance.
Torque set to 75.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Panel 1 Fortin active. Check for continuity on the cabin circuit.
Confirmed, we have a clear signal here.
Did you check the torque on the main valve coupling yet?
Yes, it's calibrated. I'm connecting the wiring harness now.
Software upload complete. Initiating system diagnostics.
Confirmed. Monitoring parameters. Looks good.
All tests passed. Aircraft ready for pre-flight.
Humidity levels stabilizing at 25%.
Pressure differential looks good on the auxiliary line.
Data synchronized for this segment.
Looks good. We are clear for the next cycle.
Check the standby power indicator.
Standby power is on. Verifying comms array.
Check the red line connection.
It's secured. Checklist item 4 complete.
The pressure on section 4 is fluctuating outside parameters.
I see it. Rerouting the bleed valve now.
The hydraulic pressure on the port side is stabilizing.
Yes, the avionics data confirms the power uptake is nominal.
We're showing green across the fiber channels.
Confirmed. The CAN bus utilization looks nominal as well.
The flow rate is stable at 500 liters per minute.
Good. The vibration dampening is nominal.
Check the altitude parameters. We have a deviation.
Running the override sequence now. It's stabilizing.
Vibration levels look good at this speed. Check the phase synchronization.
Holding steady. No anomalies detected.
Power sequence initiated. Checking auxiliary systems.
All systems nominal. Engine spool up looks good.
Try shifting another 5 kilos to the rear compartment. Okay, the numbers are stabilizing now. We have calibration.
Vector Gamma, report status.
Status nominal. Proceeding to engine checks.
All right, keep it coming straight.
Hold it right there. Clear the left side.
Clear on the left, coming out.
Confirmed. Right side clear. Watch the tail.
And stop, brake set.